Michael, you don't look well today. Are you okay?
I've been feeling tired and coughing a lot. My throat is sore, too.
That sounds serious. You should see a doctor.
Maybe you're right. I thought it would go away, but it's been 3 days now.
Any fever?
Yes, last night it was 38 degrees.
That's pretty high. Let's call the clinic right now.
Okay, I'll do it.
Good morning, Green Valley Clinic. How can I help you?
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment to see a doctor. I've had a sore throat and cough for several days.
Of course. May I have your full name?
Michael Smith.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Do you prefer morning or afternoon?
Afternoon, please.
We have a slot at 2:30 today.
That works.
Please arrive 15 minutes early to fill out forms.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. See you at 2:15.
All set.
All set?
Yes, 2:30 with Dr. Williams.
Good. I'll drive you. You shouldn't go alone if you feel weak.
Thanks. Let's leave early.
Good afternoon. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, Michael Smith at 2:30.
Please sign in and have a seat. The doctor will call you shortly.
Thank you. Waiting rooms always make me nervous.
That's normal. Look, there are posters about healthy living.
Drink water, wash your hands. Good advice.
Yes. Oh, and magazines. Do you want one?
Maybe later. I just hope the doctor isn't late.
Michael Smith?
Yes, that's me.
Please follow me. We'll check your weight, height, and blood pressure before you see the doctor.
Okay.
Please step on the scale.
Sure.
Your weight is 75 kilograms. Height 178 centimeters. Now sit here. I'll check your blood pressure.
All right.
120 over 80. Perfect. The doctor will see you soon in room 3.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Michael. I'm Dr. Williams. What brings you in? I've had a sore throat, cough, and fatigue for 3 days. Fever, too. Any shortness of breath? A little chest tightness, but not serious. Do you smoke? No. Good. Let me listen to your chest. Deep breath in and out. Again. Okay. Your lungs sound a bit congested. Open your mouth and say ah. Ah. Your throat is red and inflamed. Looks like an infection. Your ears and nose look fine, though. So, is it serious? It seems like a viral infection, maybe the flu. Nothing too dangerous, but it explains your fever and cough. Do I need antibiotics? Not yet. Antibiotics don't work on viruses. I'll prescribe cough syrup, throat lozenges, and fever tablets. Okay, will I recover soon? With rest and medicine in a few days. Stay home, drink water, and eat light food. Can I go to work tomorrow? I recommend at least 3 days of rest. I'll give you a medical certificate for your employer. That helps. Thank you. If your fever goes above 39 degrees or breathing gets difficult, come back immediately. Understood.
How did it go?
Flu. The doctor gave me medicine and told me to rest.
That's a relief. Let's head to the pharmacy. Hello. How can I help?
I have a prescription from Dr. Williams.
Let's see. Cough syrup, lozenges, and fever tablets. Do you know how to take them?
Not really. Could you explain?
Sure. 1 spoonful of syrup 3 times a day. Lozenges every 4 hours as needed. Fever tablet every 6 hours. No more than 4 a day.
Got it. Thank you.
Drink water, rest, and avoid cold drinks.
Will do. Thanks again.
Here's some warm soup. That will soothe your throat.
Thank you. You always know what helps.
And tea with honey. Don't forget your medicine.
I won't. The doctor said 3 days of rest should do it.
You'll recover soon. How are you feeling today?
A bit better. The cough is less strong.
Good. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I kept waking up.
Maybe the fever tablets will help tonight.
Hey, Michael. Laura told me you're sick. How are you? Hey, David. I've got the flu, but I'm okay. Just tired. Take it easy. Drink plenty of water. Thanks. I'll rest. Hopefully, I'll be back to normal in a few days. Wishing you a quick recovery.
Time for your medicine again.
Already? Okay. The syrup actually helps my cough.
See? It works. And here's more tea.
Thanks. You're a lifesaver.
Feeling better?
Yes, the fever is lower now.
That's great. Do you want to go for a short walk in the garden?
Maybe later. I still feel weak.
No problem. Rest more. Wow, you look much better today.
Yes, the cough is almost gone.
Should we go back to the doctor for a follow-up?
Maybe it's a good idea.
Good afternoon. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, a follow-up with Dr. Williams.
Please take a seat. The doctor will call you.
Hello again, Michael. How are you feeling now?
Much better. Fever is gone. Just a slight cough left.
Excellent. Let's check your chest again. Deep breath in and out. Much clearer now.
Great news.
Yes, keep resting and finish your medicine. You'll be completely fine soon.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Stay healthy.
I'm so glad you're better.
Me too. Thanks for taking care of me.
Always. Now, promise me you'll keep eating healthy.
I promise. And next time I feel sick, I won't wait 3 days.
Good. Lesson learned.
It feels so good to be healthy again.
I can see that. Back to your normal energy.
Yes, being sick makes you appreciate good health more.
Absolutely. Let's celebrate with a nice homemade dinner.
Perfect idea. I'm ready for real food again.